Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying the biology. Why do we fall ill? There we are studying 20 MCQ question. Health means option A. Only absence of disease, physical, mental, and social well-being. Only physical fitness. Only mental fitness. Correct answer will be B. Health means physical, mental, and social well being. Question number two. A disease is the condition where body function normally, body does not function properly, only mind is affected, only muscles are affected. Correct answer will be B. Body does not function properly. Question number third. Diseases that last for a short period are called chronic disease, acute disease, genetic disease, infection disease. The correct answer will be B. Acute disease. Question number four. Diseases that last for a long time are called option A. Acute disease, chronic disease, viral disease, bacterial disease. Correct answer will be B. Chronic disease. Question number 5. Disease that can spread from one person to another person are called non-communication, communicable, genetics, deficiency. Correct answer will be B. Communicable. Question number 6. Diseases that do not spread are called communicable, non-communicable, infectious, viral. The correct answer will be non-communicable. Question number 7. Tuberculosis is caused by virus, bacteria, fungus, protozoa. Correct answer will be B. Bacteria. Question number 8. Malaria is caused by virus, bacteria, protozoa, fungus. Correct answer will be protozoa. Question number 9. Dengue is caused by bacteria, virus, fungus, what? Correct answer will be B. Virus. Question number 10. The vector for malaria is housefly, female anopheles mosquito, male mosquito, cockroach. Answer B is correct. Female anopheles mosquito. Question number 11. The vector for dengue is anopheles mosquito, anopheles mosquito, Aedes mosquito, housefly, cockroach. Correct answer will be B. Aedes mosquito. Question number 12. AIDS is caused by bacteria, virus, fungus, protozoa. Correct answer will be B. Virus. Question number 13. Full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, acute infancy disease syndrome, artificial immunity disease system. None of these. Option A is correct. Question number 14. Antibiotics are effective against viruses, bacteria, fungus, all of these. Correct answer will be B, bacteria. Question number 15. Vaccination help in causing disease, preventing disease, increasing disease, spreading disease. Correct answer will be preventing disease. Question number 16. Balanced diet help in causing disease, preventing disease, increasing infection, spreading germs. Correct answer will be preventing disease. Option B is correct. Question number 17. Personal hygiene help to spread disease, prevent disease, increase germ, cause infection. Option B is correct. Prevent disease. Question number 18. A healthy environment includes dirty water, clean surrounding, garbage everywhere, polluted air. Correct answer will be B. Clean surrounding. Question number 19. Which disease is non-communicable? Option A. Cholera, tuberculosis, diabetes, measles. Correct answer will be diabetes. Last question, 20 question. Pathogens or option A. Useful bacteria, disease causing microorganism, plants, animals. Correct answer will be B. Thank you so much nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video.